Hey, what's good? This is St. Joe, machinetutorials.com. Here with a quick exercise I like to do by taking one kit out of an expansion and making a beat just with the sounds out of that kit. For me, it's just a way to kind of spark inspiration or creativity. It also helps with the workflow. If you're new to Maschine or you're just kind of getting back into the workflow of Maschine, it's a really great way to kind of just get your bearings and stuff like that. So it's just practice, man. Sometimes it comes out dope, sometimes it comes out whack, but this is something I do often, on many different platforms. I just figured I'd share it. Of course, if you guys want to do something like this, definitely do it. Feel free to tag it, one kit. That would be dope as well. Also, if you're looking for help with Maschine, tutorials, workflow, different things like that, stop by machinetutorials.com. So today I'm just using a kit out of Aquarius Earth, and I'm gonna use this cup of tea kit, and we're just gonna see what happens. So let's go.